here, welcome. My name is MissMix. So as you can tell by the title, I'll be unboxing the Roccabox. So be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe. So the Roccabox comes packaged just like this with your adjusting everything on here. It's just a plain pink bag and it gets sent in. So let's just get it open up. And when you open up the packaging, the box looks like this. Roccabox. So on the side here it says, on a bad day there is always mascara. And on the other side it says, glowing skin is always in. And at the front, be bolder than your lipstick and sharper than your eyeliner. And at the back it's got the address, and then it says, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at Roccabox UK. And so let's just get in. And right here it says, the beauty box that's more than just skin deep. So here's welcome, and it says, hi Roccababes, pucker up and flutter those eyelashes. We are treating you to a selfie ready box. This month's little pink box will have everything that you need to up your selfie game. We're not saying you need makeup for your selfies, but we do know that putting on some lipstick can make you feel the boss babe you are. We've covered all bases, so if you're not up for dressing up this weekend for your Zoom party, don't worry. This box is still full of goodies you can use to nourish, replenish and care for your skin. And we've got a £50 virgin wine voucher. We have Ico London black liquid eyeliner. So let's give that a test. So it's like this. And in the middle here it says, if you can do liquid liner, you can do anything. This is Black Magic. And there we go guys, so you can see that. So we've got that. Now, ooh, pretty. May, it's called Tulip. We can get this up in here. Oh, that's pretty guys. And let's give this a little taste. There we go. Nice nude. And what's this? Age Rejuvenate Revive, a serum hyaluronic acid anti-tox dual moisturizer by Avavint. Like that guys, small little. And then we've also got conditioner, Charles Worthington London Diamond Shine Conditioner for weightless mirror shine. Let's give that a little smell. Smells nice. And we've also got the shampoo, guys, to go with the conditioner. Now let's get the shampoo out. Oh, and they both smell nice. And we've got an eye therapy under eye mask with collagen and green tea. Really nice. That's a good box. Now, let's see what they say, guys. So we'll start off with the eyeliner. Hero product. Eyeko Black Magic liquid eyeliner. To start with, we have the Eyeko liquid liner. This is designed for that after hours allure look, making messy eyeliner a thing of the past. Inspired by traditional Japanese calligraphy, this liner makes winged eyes effortless, even for those of us who aren't gifted with the talent of makeup. The brush is smooth and always for a single stroke, which stays on all day without fading. And it's £16, guys, in full size. And now we're on to the anti-venom serum, hyaluronic acid, antioxidant dual moisturizer. Good things really do come in small packages. This moisturizer deeply penetrates the skin to hydrate and instantly improves the appearance of any fine lines. It contains avocado oil, which intensely hydrates and softens the skin when applying. Work from the center of the face out. A little tip: if you gently tap your face whilst moisturizing, it will stimulate circulation. This is £20, and you can get a discount on this, guys. A Roccabox 20 deluxe travel size. So this is only the travel size for it, guys. And it's, let me see, cruelty free. And it's a 10ml bottle. Now we're on to the eye mask. Beauty Pro Eye Therapy Under Eye Mask. No matter how much sleep you get, you still have tired eyes. We know the feeling, honey. These beauties are an intensive eye treatment which nourishes the eye, reduces puffiness, dryness, and the appearance of those dark circles. These are suitable for all skin types and are simple to use. Just cleanse the area and place on for 15 to 20 minutes and relax. And this is only £1.95, and you can get a discount with RB20 and it's full size, guys. Now we're on to this luxurious lipstick. Me Velvet Hydro Matte Lipstick. In need of your new everyday lipstick colour? We may have found the one for you. This super soft and super hydrating velvet formula provides the perfect matte colour without drying out your lips. It is a paraben-free formula with added vitamin E, this will be your girls' night essential in no time. And it's £25 guys, and full size. And I don't see anything about cruelty free, but I think it might be. And now onto these. Charles Worthington Diamond Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. As you all loved last month's Charles Worthington goodies, we're here this month with a hair power couple. This shampoo and conditioner instantly revitalizes dull looking hair and leaves it with a selfie worthy sparkle. Both are also enriched with a fragrance lock technology, leaving your hair smelling fresh all day long. And it's £4 guys, and it's a deluxe travel size. So that's all of that guys. So please, if you did enjoy today's video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button and comment below. Or comment below your favourite product that you saw in the box. And stay safe, stay healthy, and look after each other. And Black Lives Matter, treat each other as you'd like to be treated yourself. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.